Dad's crazy card collection. Back with a little more Pokemon. We have a Lightning Power Box, brand new. Put my thumb right through the whole box there. Four booster packs. And a code card. Don't even know if that's a good one. It's supposed to have a bonus item. We're missing there. From Pikachu. Alright, let's see what packs we got. Paradox Rift, Scarlet and Violet, Sword Shield, Era, Brilliant Stars, nice. Another Scarlet and Violet base, Scarlet and Violet Obsidian Flames, nice. Let's start with this Scarlet and Violet base. Work our way up to what I think. I think they're better packs. I don't know. Depends what we're hitting out of them, huh? Get something. Come on. Ultra Ball. Toxel, reverse hollow. Pokemon Catcher, reverse. And another hollow Gambit. Energy and code. Paradox Rift. Technical Machine, Turbo Energize. This looks like a CD. Obsidian Flames. Let's go. Charizard. Alternate Art. Brilliant Stars. All right, full art, hollow. Mine's okay. Fusion Strike. All right, that's it. That about does it. Thanks for watching. Dad's Great Card Collection. Hopefully we'll be back soon with a bunch more Pokemon. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. See ya.